to all the players, owners, sponsors, volunteers, and everyone present. What a fantastic week it has been, filled with talent, energy, passion, and sportsmanship. We started VPL with a dream to give the best players in our community the best platform that they deserve. Thank you to all of you for believing in this dream, participating with a full heart, and making it such a memorable experience for all of us. The tournament has truly lived up to its vision of bringing together talent from across the community and celebrating the spirit of cricket. Before we move ahead with the rest of the evening, we've had such an exciting game, so we'll take a bit of a breather and thank the various people that have been involved and responsible for organizing this tournament. Firstly, we'd like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to the amazing sponsors who have stood by us and helped make Vista Premier League Season 2 a reality. Without their belief, support, and encouragement, this would not have been possible. We'd like to call them up on stage personally and thank them. Starting with our title sponsor, Vista Packaging, Sheikh Fakhruddin Bhai Rangwala, can you come up on stage, please? You. Thank you for your constant support and encouragement.
Nothing. Only thing I want to wish both all the teams who have participated and of course the winning team and also the Highlander who runners up. No, Highlanders the runner up. They also played a very good game and it was very interesting. And I wish you all the best for the next season. Thank you.
We have here with us also today a very special guest and someone who has always lent their support to us. We'd like to call up on stage Hussain Bhai Sahab to please take our token of appreciation. And thanks to Burani Sports for lending their encouragement and support and guiding us to let this tournament happen. Our media partners, Sapphire Tough, thank you for your incredible support and faith in our vision. Our food partner, Dilawar, for ensuring everyone stayed energized and satisfied throughout the tournament. Can we have you up on stage here, sir, please? Guys, please, he's made some amazing food for this tournament. Guys, please, a big round of applause. Izzy Arts and Frames, Ali Asgar Bhai Patanwala, can you come up here, please? iWorld Optics, Hussain Mister. I think a lot of you have taken those excellent sunglasses that he has given. I think you can give a bigger round of applause for that. Apex Modular Solutions, Mursa Bhai Palitanawala. Sun Moon Electricals, Mursa Bhai Electric Wala, who I don't think has joined us here today. Felici Gelato, Nabila bin Rangwala, can you please come up on stage? Finasta Tours and Travels, Ibrahim Bhai Kapadia. Maroof Mufaddal Bhai Mr. Unix Imran Bhai Kagalwala. TMA Enterprises, Alias Garbhai Katawala and Taha Jarwala. Thank you once again to all our sponsors. You are a huge part of the VPL family and we hope you continue this partnership for many seasons to come. Now I'd like to take some time to thank our volunteers and support teams. Firstly, starting with our amazing coordinators, Abbas Umretwala. Thank you. Yusuf Bhai Kothari, Tahir Gandhi, Mansoor Kachwala, Hussain Porbandarwala, Huzefa Vadgam, Hatim Sarang, and Ali Asgar Cementwala. You were all the backbone of this tournament, managing logistics, keeping players informed and handling every issue with patience and care. Guys, a big round of applause for all of them, please. They've worked really hard so that now a special thank you to our umpires, our 4 magical umpires for the tournament. Mr. Nilesh Dankaude, Suraj Tiwari, Vaibhav More, and Rohit Rajput. Standing under the sun, taking tough calls and handling pressure. You ensured fairness and discipline. Thank you, sir. To the ground staff, Anand, Jituji and his team, making sure the pitches were ready and on time. I think they're back there, so we'll call them later. To the streaming team, Sandeep Ji, Dhananjay and his wonderful team. Please, sir, come up here. Sandeep Ji. Guys, a big round of applause for Sandeep ji and his team for that amazing live coverage that they provided us throughout this tournament. And now to thanking our favorite crew of the entire tournament, the guys that make us look like professionals, our media team, starting with Ahmad Bacha, Tahir Kalawadwala, Fatima Rajkotwala, Huzefa Kasarawala, Hamza Bootwala, and Akash Yadav. Thank you guys. You've taken some amazing videos and photos, and we can't wait to see the results. Guys, a big round of applause to our media team. Fatima, can you join us here, please? Fatima especially has been standing under the hot sun all day, taking some great pictures of you guys. To the social media team that you guys have been reposting their stories, Tahir Rangwala and Mursa Patrawala, can you come up here, please? The amazing stories that they've been putting up of all you guys playing these wonderful shots. Can I call on Tahir Bhai Ringwala, please, to join us on stage? Tahir Bhai, can you give the awards out to our commentary team? This year we had a commentary team comprised of all the players, and they were done an excellent job to provide this commentary on the live streaming that you guys have all been paying attention to. So can I please have you guys up on stage for a quick thank you, starting with Hussain Darbar. Hussain Bootwala. Ali Asgar Vanak. Yusuf Peti. Papa Peti. Shakir Kalangi, on his behalf, can I have Mursa Bhai Patanwala? Kadir Rangwala. Yes. Mustafa Basu, who's not here with us right now, he's left, but. And last but not the least, the voice you've been enjoying the most, Hamza Goawala. Hussain Darbar, can you come up and take it on behalf of Mustafa Basu as well, please? And last but not the least, I'd like to special thanks and a special round of applause to our physio for the year, Mr. Amin Khan. On behalf of the entire VPL team, a big round of applause and heartfelt thanks to all our contributors. We are deeply grateful, and without you, this tournament would not have been possible. Yes, I've got another page. This tournament has been a long time in planning, and I know you guys are eager to get on with it, but just give me a couple more minutes. I have a very special mention to all the families of the organizers. They've been very patient with us while we spend, a lot of time away. So a big round of applause. I'd like to call on the families of the organizers. Please, can you come up on stage here? If we have any of the families here, can you please come up on stage, guys? All right, thank you, guys. A big round of applause for them. I think they're all feeling shy, but thank you, thank you. I just have a couple of more people to thank. Firstly, a heartfelt special thanks to Kadir Bhai Rangwala for always being there, offering constant support, advice, and helping behind the scenes whenever it's needed. A special thanks also, please come up, sir, Siraj Bhai Rangwala, the money man, ensuring that behind all the passion and excitement, everything is financially stable. Big round of applause, guys, for Siraj Bhai. Next up, a very special person who's made everything we demand possible. If we demand something, this man will execute it. His energy, attention to detail, and ability to handle any situation is what helps bring all our plans to life. Guys, please, big round of applause for Mohsin Pocketwala. Guys, I think we can have a bigger round of applause. Mohsin's worked really hard. Thank you, Mohsin. And then a very special thanks to everyone's favorite, Taki Bhai. It's so hard to write a thanks for him because I don't even know what he does. He does so many things that I don't even know what exactly he's doing. There's so many small details that he handles that I don't even know. So, Taki Bhai, a very special thank you. Now, a very special man, the wizard behind the fantastic social media coverage that you guys are enjoying year round, capturing every moment, capturing all of us, and making sure we look so fit and fine in these amazing jerseys. A massive thank you to amplifying the VPL spirit across every platform. Mustafa Presswala, please come up here. I think a lot of you people have press to thank for being here and playing in this tournament, guys. A big round of applause to Mustafa Presswala. At the heart of this entire tournament stands our very favorite, the man we all fondly call Uncle. The man with a vision, the energy, and the drive to dream big and make it happen. Every detail, every plan, every sleepless night, it was all made possible because of Mufaddal Bhai's relentless dedication and leadership. Thank you, Mufaddal Bhai. Please come up on stage.
Yo, Mufi bhai.
See, because he makes sure of everything, we don't have a gift to give him because we didn't take care of it. Thank you, thank you. I'm sure he wants to say a few words.
Big thank you to all the players, sponsors, owners, and everyone who is associated with VPL Season 2. Inshallah, VPL Season 3 will be from 22nd March to 27th of March. Inshallah, VPL Season 3. Thank you, everyone, for making this tournament a great success. Hope everybody must have enjoyed. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone. I think we've all heard the dates, so I hope everyone's preparing for next year. Inshallah, next year we'll aim to make this even bigger, better, and more exciting. Until then, remember, VPL isn't just about winning trophies, it's about building friendships. Guys, I think the moments we've all been waiting for, the awards, I think we can't delay it any further. Press.
I know, guys. I'll take just another minute. Ali Bhai took a lot of time to thank everybody involved in the tournament. So I would just like to reciprocate and extend the favor and thank him for all his hard work. He has made this tournament possible with his vision, dedication. Okay, and as I said last year also, we are privileged to play this tournament at such a high level with such high production quality and all these facilities. Okay, it's his brainchild. And as you know, he had surgery a few months ago. Still, his dedication towards this tournament, towards ensuring that this takes place, is very commendable. So, thank you, Ali, for all your dedication.
Thank you, Ali bhai. It's time now for the awards. The players are waiting for. I would like to invite Hussain Bhai Saab Wajiuddin on stage to present the awards to all the players for their amazing efforts on the field and outside the field. We saw some amazing performances in this match. And to begin with the awards, I would like to invite Ali Asgar Bhai and Taha Jarwala to give the awards for the TMA Enterprises game-changing movement. One smart move, one bold decision, and the entire match turned around. That's your TMA Enterprises game-changing movement. For his 30 runs in 13 balls, hitting 2 fours and 2 crucial sixes, Mr. Ibrahim Haji. That's your game changer of the final. 2 amazing sixes by Ibrahim, also known as Smalley. What a performance, Smalley. Next up, the most crucial thing about cricket is the fielding. So जब body भी fit हो और fielding भी lit हो. That's your fittest fielder for excellent ground fielding, Mr. Mufaddal Noor Bhai. Now it's time for the catch master. हर मैच का catch master is our Altius clutch catcher. He'll receive a gift sponsored by Maruf. And to present the award, I would also request Mr. Mufaddal Mister to come on stage. Now for his one catch of the crucial player from Seahorse Highlanders, Mr. Abbas Unwala. This prize is for the captain of the Blazing Bangers, is Mr. Huzaifa Poonawala. Abbas, you will be here soon. Don't be in a rush. Now, can I invite Mr. Hussain Mister on stage to present the iWorld's Optic exclusive spell, Clear Vision Deadly Accuracy. That's your iWorld exclusive spell of the match for his 3 wickets, conceding 39 runs in his 4 overs, is Mr. Mustansir Kachwala. Hussain Bhai Sabajuddin and Hussain Mister from the iWorld Optics is going to present the award to Mustansir Kach for his 3 crucial wickets, bowling the death overs. Now when power meets action, every shot becomes a masterpiece. Today's innings was truly frame-worthy. I would like to invite Ali Asgar Patanwala on stage to give the Easy Arts and Frames creator of the match gift hamper sponsored by Epic Box for his 40 runs in 17 balls, rushing towards us, hitting 4s, 1 4 and 6s, Mr. Abbas Unwala. What an innings that was. What crazy, huge 4 6s, giving the Highlanders to defend a total. And now what everyone's been waiting for. It's time for the DDK Wealth Player of the Match. Somebody who I've already spoken to so many times. He's promised me that if he's in the finals, he's always going to win the man of the match. And undoubtedly the legend of the Dawoodi Bora community for his 67 runs in 38 balls, hitting 4 6s and 6 4s, Mr. Huzaifa Patel. Can I have Mr. Imran Kagalwala on stage? The DDK Wealth Player of the Match is sponsored by Uniques. Uzi bhai, it's high time you let somebody else take the man of the match in the finals. We all know our players are here waiting for the lucky draw. And on that note, I would like to also invite Mr. Tahir Bhai Ringwala on stage to give the lucky draw award along with Hussain Bhai Sabajuddin. Tahir Bhai, can I please have you on stage? The most exciting moment of Vista Premier League Season 2. As promised, we will be giving 3 Kun Safar tickets through a lucky draw. The first ticket is an open ticket for all the 78 players who are present, but only the ones who are present on the ground. And to start with the lucky draw, We have Mr. Hussain Baisa Wajiuddin here. Can we have the lucky draw chits, please? It's rolling on the screen, and the name is going to be out in 1 second, hopefully, and it is Mr. Murtaza Pardawala. It's our Joshi from the Blazing Bangers. What a moment. He is also our sponsor for the DMA Game Changer, and it's none other than Joshi. For his constant efforts on the field, deserves the lucky draw Kun Safa. As we see on the big screen, this is one special ticket for the players who have never been to Karbala before. Can we start rolling? The player who's never been to Karbala and will be going soon is Mr. Mukarram Neemachwala from the Shabir Lions. Can I have Hamza Govawala on stage to collect the award? 1 second. Mufi bhai, he's supposed to be. It's Mukarram Neemachwala from the Shabir Lions. The captain of the Shabir Lions is right here to collect the award on behalf of him. Lots and lots of Mubarak to Mukarram Neemachwala and Murtaza Pardawala already. We still have one to go, and it's time for the Kun Safar Award from the Fair Play team. The Fair Play team with 57 points this year is the Blazing Bangers. I would like to invite Huzafa Bhai Poonawala on stage to collect the award for the Fair Play. After the Fair Play award, we'll do the lucky draw. Can you please come and collect the award for the Fair Play? The screen has already rolled, and the lucky player from the Blazing Bangers is none other than the man of the match for today, Mr. Huzafa Patel. Uzi bhai, please can we have you on stage to collect the award? We had a Fair Play award for, we were calculating, Mr. Taki Bhai was calculating the points for each team, and eventually it was the Blazing Bangers who were just 3 runs short of the 60 points, and eventually they won. Huzafa Patel won the lucky draw and they won the Fair Play award. Now it's time for the impact player of the tournament. He's been a clutch player for one of the teams in the finals. He's played some crucial knocks, at 3 down or 4 down sometimes. He's also one of the best wicket keepers from Mumbai. It's none other than Mohammad Banpurwala, the impact player sponsored by Vista Packaging. He'll also receive a kit bag sponsored by Unix. Imran Bhai Kagalwala, can we also have you on stage to present him the kit bag for his 159 runs in 5 matches, and I'm sure lots and lots of dismissal. It's Mohammad Banpurwala, the impact player of Vista Premier League Season 2. Mohammad receives a nice kit bag from Unix. Now it's time for the fittest fielder of the tournament. We have 2 special awards for 2 special people. Starting with the first award, it's the wicketkeeper and a captain from one of the teams for his highest dismissal in the tournament. It's none other than Abbas Mandapwala from the Vista Vikings. Can I invite Joseph Patel to collect the award on his behalf? Abbas Mandapwala receives the Up Your Fittest Fielder hamper. And a trophy sponsored by Sapphire Tough and Vista Packaging. Joseph Patel collecting the award on his behalf. Jose Abai will be seeing you soon again on stage. Now, like we said, we have 2 special awards. We have divided the awards with the wicket keeping as well as the ground fielding. And I am pretty sure everybody knows one of the gun fielder, the shortest guy in the tournament. I'm sorry for that, apologies. But you can never run to him when he's fielding at the point. He will receive a ball signed by Jonty Rhodes. And he's none other than from the Blazing Bangers, Hatim Yamani. Hatim Yamani is not present here, and Jose Abai Sefi will receive the award on his behalf. We have a special ball signed by Jonty Rhodes, all the way from South Africa.
Now I'd like to give out the award for the best bowler of the tournament. And that is none other than Huzaifa Poonawalla from the Blazing Bangers. Along with the trophy, he also receives a Kun Safar ticket sponsored by the Bagasrawala family. We've seen some incredibly big hits in this tournament, some massive sixes, but a lot of consistent performances across the teams. The best batsman award goes to Mustafa Presswala. Mustafa Presswala winning a Kun Safar ticket sponsored by the Mansoorwala family. And now it's time for the player of the tournament. This award goes to a man who can hit it huge, far and long, but he's also as gentle as far as he can hit. Is the player of the tournament is Hojef Patel. And for the man of the tournament, we have a ticket for Umrah or Misr, whatever you would choose. And this is sponsored by the Sham family, Isajis and Sons. Mubarak Hojef bhai. Pressy? Do I see you?
Now it's time for the runners-up of the tournament. Firstly, I would like to invite all the players of the team to collect their medals, and then we'll have a short word with the captain. Starting with the first player, our opener, Mr. Hussain Darbar. Okay, the next can we have Mr. Yusuf Peti on stage? In fact, we have Hussain Darbar right here. Can I have Mr. Huzefa Dilawar from the Dilawar, our food partner, on stage, please? Not here with us. Can I have Mrs. Zarina Rangwala on stage, please, to give the medal? We have the gun fielder and a very good batsman, my favorite, Shabir Electric Wala. Next up, the left arm magician, Hassan Dholkawala. Next, we have Igdat Pardawala, a young fast bowler from Mumbai. Another fast bowler from, a left-hand fast bowler, in fact, from Mumbai, Hatim Ranji. Another young gun, Mustansir Habibi. Next, we have the medium pacer from Jamnagar, Ali Asgar Wanak. A great all-rounder from Ahmedabad, Mr. Hussain Godrawala. Next, the impact player of the tournament, like we spoke earlier, Mohammad Banpurwala. It's time for the hardest hitter of the day, Abbas Unwala. Now the lucky charm, Saifuddin Mandapwala. And the last but not the least, my favorite captain, Hussain Bootwala. Can we have the trophy and the placard, please? Boot, I would like you to say here, and eventually we'll have a word with you. We have the owners of the Highlanders, Shabir Fanuswala and Adil Fateh, on stage, please. Congratulations for being the runner-ups. I would like to invite the team of the Seahorse Highlanders on stage to give us a nice picture for the social media and for your own memory as well. Let's cheer for the Seahorse Highlanders. Thank you, Seahorse Highlanders. Thank you, Tahir Bhai Ringwala. I would like to now invite Sheikh Fakhruddin Rangwala on stage to present the winner's trophy to none other than Blazing Bangers. But first, we'll present the medals, starting with Huzaifa Sefi, the owner. Next, we have Mufaddal Noor Bhai Wala. Next up is Yusuf Sefi. We also have Anis Bhai Kachwala, the veteran from Pune. Next, Anis Bhai Kachwala is already here. Next, we have Hatim Yamani. Okay, Hatim is not here. Next, we'll have Shabbir Modi on stage. A very good leg spinner and a left-handed batsman. Mustansir Kachwala. Time for the game changer of the day, Ibrahim Haji. Another gun fielder, Hamza Turki. Next up is Murtaza Pardawala, the lucky draw winner from today. Next up, his brother, the tallest guy in the tournament this time, Abdali Pardawala. The Blazing Banger seems to have a very good combination from the shortest to the tallest guy. Another clutch player now with the most runs in the Dawoodi Bora community, Fakhruddin Tarwala. Next up, Huzaifa Patel. And finally, somebody who led the Blazing Bangers to lift the trophy in the Vista Premier League Season 2, the captain himself, Huzaifa Poonawala. Can we... champions of the Vista Premier League Season 2, Blazing Bangers! So that's it from the Vista Premier League Season 2. As the dates have been announced, we'll be seeing you next year. Me, Takibai, Mohsin Pocketwala, Ali Asghar Rangwala and Mufaddal Bookwala. The dates are 22nd March to 27th of March 2027. Signing off here is the team from the Vista Premier League. Good night everyone and we'll be seeing you next year.